this here. नहीं हो रहा ना. So we all ready for our trip. These people are right now doing safai of their car. Does it make sense? No. Look at them. And we are already late. Also at this point they were thinking about the aesthetic. Aesthetic what?
दोनों क्यों चिल्ला? तू क्यों रो रही है? अरे नहीं होगा लाइफ में सब कुछ यार.
शुभम फ्रस्ट्रेट होते हुए कहीं तो गया. यहाँ है. Look at these people and they were talking about that we are getting
हो
late.
गया भाई थक गए. चलो सो जाओ.
Let's go to Florida. हम दोनों के हाथ में बहुत सारा सामान है. Okay, bye bye. See you. Let's go. Good. Look at this. How much मेहनत they were asking me. शुभम और अनुष्का हैं. So guys, please spot them. That's our car.
इधर है. जल्दी आ. और 50 मिनट.
Look at her. She's asking for aesthetic right now, and we are getting late. And me.
कोई चश्मा चाहिए.
ये मेरा लोकल चश्मा और ये उनका गुची वाला.
कोई चश्मा.
इतने इंच में प्रवृत्ति पाल को इतने इंच मिलेगा.
That's good. I'm happy.
Yeah, weather is pretty nice and it's already very sunny. So obviously we kept all the sunscreen, but still I'm afraid that I'm gonna get tanned. So I'm gonna be in. That's my babe. And that's my another babe. They were all set to drive.
गणपति बाप्पा.
Moria.
आगे से इन thank you.
At the next light, turn right.
निकल से राइट. निकल के राइट है. You, it's your 25th birthday. How are you feeling?
Feeling old.
Oh, advice.
Good. Fun.
Give me 25 lessons that you have learned in your 25 years.
Money can be earned, time cannot. So live life fully. every single day.
So, did you ever imagine that you will celebrate your 25th birthday in US?
Honestly, no. I never imagined that. Never ever imagined that. ठीक है?
How are you feeling since you will celebrate your 25th birthday?
This is the another thing that I'm learning from Shubham. He's actually leading his life. Yeah.
After Shubham interview, let's go and have a sleep क्योंकि ये थोड़ी ज्ञान की बातें हो गई है और that ज्ञान is basically I have to digest now.
इसलिए पूछ रहे हैं ये तो.
That's why now I have to go back and have a good sleep. Till then, bye bye. और बीच में अगर बातें हो रही हो तो you guys carry on with my blog.
पीछे के वैट्स खोल देना. AC है उसके लिए.
Okay, so यहाँ से हमें कुछ और भी चीजें आती हैं. Vent, please vent. दोनों तकिया लगा लो.
जैसे लगाना वैसे.
पक्का मैं सो जाऊँ ना.
सो जा. सोने के लिए तकिया और बोली है.
पूछना पड़ता है.
और भी उठा देंगे.
खत्म कर दे. इसलिए बोला खत्म.
कहाँ से?
मैं सो के तो उठ गई हूँ बट इन्होंने मुझे ना मोजा सुंघा के उठाया है। ये रहा वो That's a joke, but yeah, they plan to do that. Look at him. He's hungry, even though he just had lots of lunch. भूखड़ आदमी. Yeah, और हम भी यहीं पे हैं.
I'm excited for jalapeno poppers.
I'm excited for beach day.
Beach day.
It's not basically a beach day, it's the Florida.
She is on YouTube. Do you want to say hi?
Just say hi then.
I'm gonna start doing YouTube. So I'm gonna give me a camera YouTube. I can start doing my YouTube. I've been wanting to do YouTube already.
Oh, you're doing YouTube. Oh, nice. Rasta. Sorry.
देखो
I'll start
सॉस
missing you.
तेरे को सॉस लेके पीछे मोनाको और वो भी पड़ा उसके साथ सालसा खाना हो तो
पतला ही दिखता है Good morning, Pravi.
Good morning.
Welcome to Florida.
As we finally reached to Florida and we are about to reach Walton Fort. And Fort है ना? तुमने तो बोला. As here I'm busy in doing all the videos. These people are actually working, so let's help them. What's happening? Just give me. Let me do my service by myself. I think I'm with you.
What's a good phone number to call?
He's right upgraded us.
Check on our
He's over
our
checking
system, so you check out on Monday. It's gonna
Kachi?
charge the second night.
water
Whatever card you want to.
Travel hack. Guys, I'm gonna let you know. Still he's confused. Show your key.
Yes, this is the key to enter
Key.
to the room. Waterproof, fireproof, everything proof.
But there is one restriction, no?
Phone के पास नहीं. Not near.
But we can't put this nearby our phone. The reason behind it, deactivate that. So be careful about that. I don't know how. What?
सुंदर ना?
Yeah.
का व्यू है एंड उसी साइड बीच वाला भी व्यू है
So travel hack number 1. So in US, whenever you come and visit to any hotel, just ask them at text that is there any complimentary upgradation? They do certain stuff. Like for us, they upgraded the room. So yeah, we're going to a room which has like view, better than the other one. So let's see. So actually we were into a standard room, but they upgraded for us this island beach house. So let's see how it's gonna be. Here my babes waiting for me. Finally. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
start. Full from all that is eaten. Heart content on feeding more from the
Much a cushion. We all are happy just because we have a microwave gun. So we don't have to put, so we don't have to buy food because we brought lots of ready to eat and all.
That's all the Indian thing. So far, this is our resort, and let's see. There's so much things to again explore. शुभम, तुमने क्या कहा था? कुछ तो कहा था, भूल गई, जाने दो.
Look at the sunset.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, you got the stories told every
All right, y'all, this next song's an original of mine. This is called The Day I Fell in Love. This one came out on streaming platforms, Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, all that good stuff a few weeks ago, the beginning of October. So y'all make sure that you take a picture of the QR code or grab one of my cards from the tip jar. Said I wanna show you where I grew up and you dove in the water and I knew. Later on, you picked me wildflowers. And I took your picture even though you hated. You burned your feet cause you lost your shoes.
So now I'm gonna sit and see this view because I'm more fascinating about that. शुभी, एक गाना हो जाना चाहिए. नीले नीले अंबर पर
चांद जब आए प्यार
बरसाए,
कोई साथी हो,
ऐसा कोई
प्रेमी हो,
प्यार
जल्दी बुझा जाए.
अंबर पर चांद जब आए.
बेटा यहीं पे गई ना.
We're heading toward the pool to check it out if we can or not.
Where did a tours and travels guide go?
Tour and travel went to get some surprise for us. It's Subi's birthday, but ultimately I'm also the part of that surprise. So
Let's hope something.
it's a pool area at the IM Beach Resort. We saw number of photos there where some girls used to become a mermaid and take a photo out of it. And that area is basically a bar, but somehow it's closed for today. I don't know why. That is very sad because we had that plan that we'll head toward that. And that's an area where I think that's a boiling water kind of thing. People were having their own bath. Let's not go to that side. thought about that we go to there. Just below that. That's a bar, but it's closed for today. I don't know. Let's go somewhere else. There's another pool. There's so many pools they have here. But the depth क्या है उसकी? Depth क्या है? जा पाऊंगी मैं?
मैक्सिमम 8 है, वो हाफ में 4 फीट है, तो अपन तीनों भी जा
4 फुट जा सकते. I don't know swimming.
ये पुल जगह पे ये पुल कितना चलना है वहाँ पे यहाँ पे जो फोटो देखे तो यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं, लेकिन पूरी जगह पे
तो चाहते हैं.
मैं तो जाएगी मैं पूरी नहीं दी
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. हम दोनों चलेंगे.
जाएगी तो पूरी नहीं भीगेगी, मतलब
हम उसको चलेंगे. फिर ज्यादा सिखा देंगे.
उसको उठा के लेके जाएंगे
क्यों बंद है
है ना?
बाहर बंद है, पता नहीं क्यों.
मरने का है मेरी
लिखा नहीं है इसको.
We all are getting ready for a pool, and now our special
इसको पता भी नहीं इयरिंग डाले मैंने.
guys. Look at this man. He's
Over
actually
prepared.
no. He's actually a boyfriend material, husband material, whatsoever material you can call him.
go date him
थैंक यू.
You can. Abhi बोलो. So toward the beach, we also have this beach movie night. The people were just chilling and looking at the street. Guys, if you're coming to Florida here at Walton, just come to this Holy. This is actually very good in Indian, like top class. Yeah, we tried what? Tandoori momos. Tandoori momos. That is nice.
Amazing flavor.
And also
Must
at
try.
the same time that chutneys give you all that vibes of the Delhi and all. सिर्फ मेरे वीडियोस के नखरे नहीं होते, अनुष्का के भी होते हैं. Look at these guys. What's going on? We are all ready to go downstairs for Subi birthday preparation.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है
Yeah, you look cute. Don't you? As I told you, I'm going to make a Subi birthday on a beach. Let's decorate some places for him. Right now the beach are all vacant. I don't know if it's safe or not, Anushka. Is it safe? Okay. ये रात के 1 बज रहे हैं स्टिल.
ये दिख रहा है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 वो सब हिल रहे हैं ना, चल रहे हैं. Starlight है.
we're leaving this place, and that is Fab basically. Whenever you wanna come, this is the cheapest as well as the Fab place, trust me. And also, this is not the end. We're going for a beach to enjoy, but let's see. Look at her. She's waiting for me with her kite. Morning beach. Remember this place last night? Very honest, if I'm doing all all the stuff only because of Anushka and thanks to her.